Alright, check this out, guys.
It's been sitting for a while, maybe 2 days, and I know this one makes a loud squeal when I start it, so I just went to AutoZone and I bought me one of these. It was like $6.50 or something like that. Let's see if it really works. I'm just gonna spray it. So I did shake it prior to the video. I'm just spraying it all throughout the whole belt and stuff. And the pulleys, the belt, everything. So it does a real loud squeal when I start it. So right now I'm just loading it up. Alright guys, let's see what it sounds like now. Live video. Should make a loud squeal when I turn it on. Huh? It went away pretty quick. It used to stay squealing for about 1 minute. And I would rev it to get rid of it quicker. I guess it does kind of work. There we go. That was the only problem I was having with the squeak when I was started. That's just letting you know that the belt is getting old and stuff like that. So you gotta replace it soon. Nothing too, too bad to worry about, but thanks guys. Belt conditioner for all belts. It was about $6.50.